pizza too? You want pizza too? Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for this family. But you know, you guys have a great day. Just sitting. Look at him. Ow! Want to keep going? No? Okay, truce. Ah!
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
Been looking for my cats everywhere. Couldn't find them for the longest time. Hello, both of you.
Hello. Hi.
I had to stop her from coming in, but we'll let her in.
Oh my god. She's okay, guys.
Hey, I wonder what's in the cupboard. I need some coffee or something, maybe. Oh!